Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. If you are a return subscriber, thank you. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, in this channel, what I do is to handle Lantern Quant quantitative reasoning problems, a short guide, and other book and other exams that you are finding difficult to answer quantitative reasoning problems. And what I do is that I use the formula. I use formulas to solve this problem, assigning letters to the numbers, and then generate a formula that will help you to use it in your class with your pupils, and even to parents that are finding it difficult to handle homework of their children. So let's get started in today's edition of the Lantern Quant test 4, and we are in in F and what? G. So if you look at it, we have the numbers well arranged, A, B, C, and D. This is the formula here. Okay, so now let's get started to see how we can use this formula to get the numbers here in this problem. Okay, so we get started with the first one. We say in sample. In the sample, of course, there's only one sample, so we are just going to use only one sample there. Let's say in the sample above, okay, to get 2, which is equals to A. A is equals to BC over D. Now, which is equals to 10 times 7 divided by 35. 10 times 7 is what? 70 divided by 35, and that gives you what? 2. Move on to the next one. To get 10, which is B, B is equals to AD over C. So A, 2 times 35 divided by 7. So 2 times 35 is 70 divided by 7. We have 10. To get the value C, which is 7, C is equals to AD over B. Now, A in that sample is 2 times 35 divided by B, which is 10. So 70 divided by 10. So C is equals to 7. To get D, which is 35, D, our D there is equals to BC over A. So what is on the B? The B is 10. So 10 times 7 divided by 2. So that is 70 divided by 2, which gives us 5. So now, with this particular formula, you can use it to get any number you want to get here, and you can also use it to answer other questions that follow. So make sure you write down this formula. It will definitely help you to get any number. Okay, we move on to the next one, which is our G. Now in the G, the samples are different. Okay, if you look at this, we have 4 times the box here, now divided by this is the number. Okay, so we have 4 times this box, and now we're going to make sure you use this particular formula here to answer number 28 and number 31. Okay, because in number 28 and 31, you are only told to find the number in this particular box. So we work based on what the problem we are facing. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see. To get this value, which is 6 here, B is equals to 48 divided by 4 times 2. So we have 48 divided by 8. And that will give us what? 16. So use this particular formula to answer number 28 and number 31. Okay, going over to number 30. Going to number 30. Now, in number 30 here, you are to get the missing number. That's the number in this box. Okay, the number in this box. So how do we get the number in this box? So what basically we do is to put the numbers on top, right? That is, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is what? D. So we say C, that's 100 minus 35 divided by 5. So B will be 100 minus 35, right? Okay, so this will give you 65, right? So you have 65 divided by 5. Okay, so and that will give you 13. So that's the number for that number 30. Now going to number 29, they said in number 29, this is the format, right? So make sure you convert this naira to kobo, right? When you convert this naira to kobo, that will be what? A 2.4 times 100, which is what? 240 divided by 4, right? Okay, so now when you multiply that, you have, okay, yes, okay, so now this will give us what? This is 1 time, and this is how many times? 6 times, so you have 60. Okay, so now the same thing happens here. For number 32, change this again to kobo by multiplying it by what? 100. So that will be 2.5 times 100 divided by what? By 5. Okay, so that will be 250 divided by 5. That will give you what? 50. Okay, so now in this particular problem, it does not have a specific formula for all of them, but use this approach for you to get the numbers in each of the questions in number 30, in number 29, and in number 32, right? So make sure you put down the formula here in this particular number, right? Make sure you write it down and use this approach to get any problem you want to, any solution you want to get in that particular sample. Okay, so we have come to the end of today's edition of our Lantern Quant, where we're in test 4 and we have been able to provide the answer. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more videos as I am going to be dropping them for you. Thank you very much.